In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can simply fix NVIDIA game filters not working. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your game right here and make sure that your game is being detected by GeForce Experience. Head over to the overlay. In here, click on game filters, or you can simply type Alt F3 on your keyboard. And inside this page, we have the currently playing Subnautica Below Zero because that is my game open up right here. Now you want to click on the enable button if this is your first time opening up the game filters. Now, by being connected or detected by NVIDIA GeForce Experience, we will be able to simply get our effects right here or our filters that we want to apply. But if the application cannot detect our game, that is going to be a problem. Now to fix that, just head over to the NVIDIA application right here, and then you want to navigate through your games. So this is going to be my library. I'll click on the see all button, and then you want to look for the game that you want to play. Now if you cannot see your game right here, you can apply them by heading over to the window right here, and inside you want to click the three dots. Click on add a program, and you simply want to look for the application that you want to be detected to NVIDIA. For example, I'm going to add this game right here. I'll just double click on it, and then I'll have it right here. Now the next thing that we want to do is to update our drivers. Search for NVIDIA drivers on your browser. Look for your right graphics card model, and then you want to get the latest version of drivers right here. While also installing the application, you want to make sure to click on the install or update GeForce Experience. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guys for everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.